Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to layer and group elements in Canva for complex designs. So when working with overlapping text, graphics, photos, and backgrounds, Canva provides a dedicated layers panel to manage depth visually. So just select any element on your canvas. Let me just go to my project here. Let's use this. In the top floating bar that appears here in the top, click Position right here. A panel will open on the left showing two tabs, All Layers, which will display every single element on your current page, and Overlapping, which will display only the elements that are touching or overlapping the selected item. So you can just rearrange them. You can click and drag any element up and down in the panel list. So you go Layers, and as you can see, you can just drag them right and change their positions. And also guys, for fast adjustments on the fly, you can just select an element and use these shortcuts. So if you want to bring forward or send backward, you just use Control and bracket backward or bracket forward. And if you want to bring to front or send to back, it's going to be Control Alt and bracket, and once again left or right. Alright, now about grouping. So you can just select multiple items like this. Then you shift click, you hold down the shift key and click on each element individually. It's great for picking specific items without selecting the background. This, as you can see, chose two of them. And then click group on the floating toolbar that appears above your selection. Right here, group. There you go. And the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl G. And that's pretty much it guys. Enjoy the guide as always and thank you for watching.